Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your Facebook Messenger group chat problems on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix your group chat problems on your Facebook Messenger, first open up your Messenger app. More or the less of the settings are from your phone, but just in order to show you the Messenger, we can continue it from here. Now, if there is a problem available or occurring on your group chat problems on your Facebook, first let's go to the settings of our phone in order to clear out the cache and storage, that kind of stuff, in order to make our Messenger lighter. So to do that, go to the settings of your phone, and over here guys, this is the settings of the phone. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, not just the bottom, you just need to locate the section or the tab called apps. Over here you can see just above my general management, there is the apps tab available for us. We'll be going to there to ease up the Messenger while it's lagging on the group chat. And with that being said guys, open the app settings on your phone and open it. And over here guys, there are a lot of apps over here installed on your phone. Everything will be over here. Search for the Messenger application over here and tap on that Messenger. And over here guys, you can see this is the settings of the Messenger on your phone. Now from over here, tap on the storage, which is just above the memory. After you tap on that storage, this kind of panel will appear where at the bottom of your screen you can see the clear cache and the clear data button available for us guys. Let's tap on the clear cache and try again to see either your group chat error has been fixed or not, because sometimes a lot of cache pointing up or tabbing up on your Messenger on your phone might cause a lag on your Messenger. And with that being said guys, after clearing your cache, there is a clear data button available for us. If you tap on that clear data button, all of your storage, all of your memories, all of your private data from the Messenger on your phone will be wiped out, and you will have to log in into your Messenger account as in a new account from the start after you install it. If your Messenger is getting a lot of lag up from on your group chat, you can try to clear that data, and after you wipe out your storage, start new, log into your Messenger, and it might end your problem. And with that being said guys, after trying the clear data and the clear cache, if your problem still remains guys, go to the Play Store and I check for either the Messenger has an update or no, and let's go. And you can see guys, currently there is no update available for us on the Messenger, so it's up to date. But guys, if still your problem continues, or try reinstalling the Messenger application on your phone, or try restarting your phone and again reinstalling your application of the Messenger on your phone, and that might solve your group chat error on your phone. And with that being said guys, these are the techniques how you can fix the group chat problems on your Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.